guys, today I have with me Realme X7 Max 5G Milky Way Edition. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Realme X7 Max 5G has bezel-less punch-hole display. On the right spine, you will find the power button, and on the other side, the phone has the volume button and the SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Realme X7 Max 5G comes with a triple camera setup. On bottom, you will see the Realme branding with a Dare to Leap tag. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. The Realme X7 Max 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor which ensures a seamless performance. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. Realme X7 Max 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 50-watt super dart charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of Realme X7 Max 5G is Android 11 with Realme UI. So guys, that's it for Realme X7 Max 5G Milky Way Edition. Thank you so much for watching this video.